All right, we have the Harbor Freight multi-tool. Picked it up for 35 bucks with the coupon, and I took it out. Used the scraper a bit. Don't recommend it on wood. It'll cut down into the wood. But what I'm really interested in are the blades, you know, and the 270 blade, which I used a little bit. I'll show you. Also comes with the sanding pads. We'll try that out. But just so you can see, it's not super fast, but it's fast. You can see it's very little travel. And as far as the finger test, it just kind of tickles your finger. I suppose if you wanted to press down really hard, you could get some blood, but you don't have to worry about taking a finger off accidentally. Let's see the flat blade. Let's see what it does here. That's literally the first time I tried that with the flat blade. Looks like I got almost all the way through. Maybe I was trying to go too far with the blade. But you see it's pretty clean cut. Now let's swap out the 270. I'll do it live if I'm still on camera so you can see it goes pretty easily. And I do that every time. And I haven't had any trouble with spinning. That was my clamp. It's kind of dimpled. The back side of the 270 blades kind of dimpled to grab the oscillating end. I'm just hand tightening. There's they give you a little, if you can see, little spot that you can put a wrench in there. I haven't done it yet. So let's see what happens. It's not the quietest tool in the world, but it did it. There's some paint coming off of the blade. You can smell a little bit of burning. Maybe I'm pushing too hard for what it's trying to do. But it cut. You can see I went a little bit into the, bench top, whatever that would, that I suppose that would be your drywall if this were your baseboard you were kind of trying to cut, trim. I didn't have the straightest cut in the world, but if you were taking your time and going at it, I suppose you could do it. This one too, know, I can feel it. I can feel it in there. But, you know, I was pushing relatively hard. I'd say about as hard as it would be if you dropped it on yourself running. And no blood. You know, I wouldn't want to push it into a finger or something. So let's try the sanding pad. I drop it every time.